Hello, kindergartners. It's math time again. Today we are going to review our partners of 10. Then we are going to do a math sheet together that has to do with partners of 10. And after that, we're going to talk about simple subtraction problems. All right, first let's talk about our partners of 10. I hope you remember this rainbow that we made about 2 lessons ago. Well, we're going to be using this rainbow today to help us review our partners of 10. So what I want you to do is look at this red again. Remember the red half circle. Starts with 0 and it goes to 10. So see if you can shout out that first partner. I'm going to have it appear on my screen. See if you can say it before it appears on my screen. Ready? Did you say 0 plus 10? 0 and 10 are partners of 10. Let's look at the next one. The orange half circle, 1 and 9. Shout it out. 1 plus 9 equals 10. Okay, let's go to the next one. See if you can say it before I click on it. You're right, 2 plus 8. 3 plus 7. I'm wondering if you're starting to see the pattern we talked about. Let's see the next one. 4 plus 6. And the last one on this side. 5 plus 5. Here you see partners of 10. Okay, let's review really quick the pattern that we noticed with these partners. All right, if we look at this side, remember we see 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What's happening to the numbers? Oh, you're right. Each number is increasing by 1. That means if I do 0 plus 1 equals 1. 1 plus 1 equals 2. 2 plus 1 equals 3. 3 plus 1 equals 4. And 4 plus 1 equals 5. Okay, let's see if we can go to the other side now. Move this over. This over. I love how it switches colors. All right, let's keep going now. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. It's not counting up. It's counting down. That means we're subtracting 1. So 10 minus 1 is 9. 9 minus 1 is 8. 8 minus 1 is 7. 7 minus 1 is 6. And 6 minus 1 is 5. So boys and girls, you remember that pattern we noticed? All right, now let's see if you can remember the pattern over here. So we're going to make our partners on this side of our chart. So we have 0 plus 10. I remember there were some switching partners. See if you can shout out the answer before it appears. 10 plus 0. You're right. Okay, let's see what happens next, switching partners. 9 plus 1. You're right. 1 plus 9. And then they switch partners. 9 plus 1. See the next switching partners. Say it with me. 8 plus 2. Here comes the next one. They switched. 7 plus 3. They switched again. 6 plus 4. And the last one, we don't see it switching, but it does. 5 plus 5. So boys and girls, here are all of our partners of 10. So what we're going to do is we're going to take out our math sheet and we're going to use these partners of 10 to complete our math sheet for today. So if you can go and find this math sheet in your math book, it's page 347. Come or get it out, put it in front of you because we're going to do a few problems together. Okay, pause the video, go get your math sheet, and then come right back. Okay, so I hope you have your math sheet in front of you and a pencil. So what we are going to do is we're going to do a few problems together and we're going to talk about this sheet. Boys and girls, in math, we always see patterns. So if I look at this math sheet, I'm seeing a pattern already. I hope you're seeing a pattern also. So I'm looking right now, and if I look at these circles, there's 5 on top and 5 below. So I know 5 plus 5 is 10. And then I'm seeing there's 1 circle colored in blue, 2 circles colored in blue, 3 circles colored in blue. It's like we talked about on the other page. 1 more circle is being colored in. So they keep adding 1 more. 1, 2, 3, 4. When we add 1 more circle colored blue, what happens to the white circles? Oh, that's right. We learned that too. They subtract by 1. 9, 8, 7, 6. I'm taking 1 more away. When I add a blue circle, I take away a white circle. So boys and girls, if you look, they're counting the blue. That's where they get the 1. And then they count all of the white circles. That's where they get the 9. Okay, so we're going to do a couple problems right here in problem number 2. So if we look, what shape is this? It's no longer a circle. Shout out what shape it is. Well, I hope you said hexagon because you're right. These are hexagons. They're not colored blue though. What color are they colored? Green. You're right. And if I look, oh, how many green are there? 1. How many are here? 2, 3, 4. Is our pattern continuing? Is it counting up by 1? It is. That means the white ones are taking 1 away. So let's count. So I have 1 green. That's where I write 1. Everyone write a 1 there. Okay, so if I know 1 plus what equals 10? You should know by now. 1 plus 9. Oh, that's an interesting 9. I don't like that. Well, let's erase that 9 and make it look even better. Here, let's see if I can erase it. Eraser. All right, let's see if I can erase it and make it look better. All right. Now, boys and girls, we'll make my 9 look a little bit neater. There we go. 1 plus 9. Okay, now let's go to the next one. I have 2, so I'm going to make my 2. You write your 2 in also. After you write your 2, 2 plus what equals 10? If you don't know the answer, you can count the white square or white hexagons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I'm going to write the 8. Now, boys and girls, I think you can do the rest of this on your own, but I want to point out one more pattern that I'm seeing, and maybe you're seeing it too. But if I look here, 1 plus 9, what did I write here? 1 plus 9. They're the same. 2 plus 8. What did I write here? 2 plus 8. Those are also the same. So, boys and girls, what this paper is doing is they're trying to help you memorize your partners of 10. So I think you can complete the rest on your own. When you're done, have a parent check your work. And then now I'm going to go on to the next page. So if we flip this math sheet over, you're going to see that we have subtraction problems that we're going to do. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to take 2 of these subtraction problems and I'm going to give you 2 strategies you can use to help solve them. So here's 2 of them that I picked out from your math sheet. So what you're going to do, boys and girls, is the first thing when it comes to subtraction is you're going to look at the first number. And here's my first number. I highlighted it for you so you know which one I'm talking about. This 2. So what I'm going to have you do is you are going to draw circles. How many circles? 2 circles. That's the first number. It tells you how many circles to draw. I'm drawing 2 circles. After I draw 2 circles, then I look at the second number, 2 minus 2. So now I need to cross out 2 circles. 1, 2. I crossed out 2 circles. How many circles are left? 0. If you don't want to draw circles, you can use your fingers to solve this problem. So you're going to hold up 2 fingers, and then I'm going to take how many away? 2 fingers away. 1, 2. How many fingers do I have left up? 0. So that still gives me the same answer. So I can either draw circles or I can use my fingers. Now if I look here, I'm going to be looking at the first problem again. And that one is the first number, which is highlighted in yellow, which is the number 3. So I'm going to take and I'm going to draw how many circles? 3 circles. 1, 2, 3. Then I look at the second number because it's 3 minus 2. And that 2 tells me I have to cross out 2 circles. 1, 2. How many circles do I have left? 1. So I write the number 1. Again, if you don't want to draw circles, you can use your fingers. So how many fingers am I going to hold up? 3 fingers. How many fingers am I going to take down? 2. 1, 2. How many fingers do I have left up? 1 finger left up, so my answer is 1. So boys and girls, I'd like you to complete the front of your math sheet, the back of your math sheet. Have an adult check your math sheet. Remember, keep working hard, and I'll talk to you soon. Okay, bye.